Hello everyone. Today we will see one paper of AMC 10A. This was held on January 30, 2020. Let us see the problems and how we can solve them. So first question is in front of you. What value of x satisfies? So equation is given. Now if you add 3 by 4 on both the sides, you will get x is equals to 5 divided by 12 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, now when a rational number we have to solve, what we do, we first make their denominator same. So here we take the LCM of denominator. So LCM of 12, 3 and 4 is 12. So we make their denominator 12. So 5 upon 12, here denominator is 12. Now 1 upon 3 I multiply and divide by 4, so it will become 4 upon 12. Now 1 by 3 and 4 upon 12 are the same, and similarly this 3 by 4 I will multiply numerator and denominator by 3, so I will get 9 divided by 12. Okay, so this x is equals to, now my denominator is 12 and numerator will be 5 minus 4, which is 1 plus 9, 10, and 10 divided by 12 is 5 divided by 6. So our result here is 5 divided by 6. Let us see the second question. The number 3, 5, 7, A and B have an average of 15. So average, how we calculate average? So here 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus A plus B whole divided by 5 is given 15. So therefore I can say that this 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 7, 15 plus A plus B is equals to, now this 15 will multiply by 5. I will multiply both the sides by 5. So your A plus B will be 15 5s are 75 minus 15, which is 60. Okay, so A plus B is 60. Therefore if I have to find average of A and B, that is A plus B by 2, it is 60 divided by 2, which is 30. Okay, now the third question, assume A not equal to 3, B not equal to 4 and C not equal to 5. What is the simplest form? So here we have to simplify. Now if you see they are in multiplication, so A minus 3. Now what I will do, this denominator 5 minus C, I will take minus sign common and I will write C minus 5. Now why I am doing that? Because if you see numerator, in all the numerators your variable is first. So now second is B minus 4. Here I will take minus sign common, so it will become A minus 3. And then here it is C minus 5. So if I take minus sign common, it is B minus 4. Now you can see that this B minus 4 will cancel by this B minus 4. C minus 5 will cancel by this, and A minus 3 will cancel here. So I have minus 1 remaining here, into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied 3 times will give me answer as negative 1. So your first option is your correct one. The fourth one, a driver travels 2 hours at 60 miles per hour. So in 1 hour driver is traveling 60 miles. So if I see in 2 hours, so in 2 hours we can say that the driver will travel 120 miles, right? Now so if I see in 120 miles, okay, the driver is traveling 120 miles. Next, during which her car get 30 mile per gallon of gasoline. So 30 mile, for 30 mile there is 1 gallon. So for 120 mile, for 30 mile if there is 1 gallon, so 30 4 the 120, so that means for 120 mile I have 4 gallons of gasoline, right? Now she paid $0.5 per mile and her only expense is gasoline at $2 per gallon. Now her earning is $50.5 per mile. So here if we see earning, So earning is $0.5 for 1 mile. So for 120 mile it is 60 miles. Sorry, $60. It's $60. This is what is her earning. Okay, now again her only expense is gasoline at $2 per gallon. So for gasoline she is paying $2 for 1 gallon. So for 4 gallon her expense will be $8. Now her expense is $8 and her earning is $60. So how much in reality she get $60 minus $8, that is $52. So $52 she earned, okay, while traveling for 2 hours. The question is what is her net rate of pay in dollar per hour. So therefore net rate of pay per hour will be equal to what? $52 divided by 2 is equals to $26. Okay, so her net is $26. Okay, so what is her net rate of pay? It is $26. Now fifth question, what is the sum of all real number x for which x square minus 12x plus 34? In mod we have x square minus 12x plus 34. Now this is equal to 2. Okay, so we have to find all possible values of x. Now this modular sign we use to indicate positive value. So here this x square minus 12x plus 34, its value could be either 2 or its value could be minus 2. I will get absolute value as 2 only. So therefore we can say that this x square minus 12x plus 34, this is either plus 2 or this x square minus 12x plus 34, this is equals to minus 2. Now when it is plus 2, I simplify this first. So here it is x square minus 12x plus, I will subtract 2 from both the sides, so I will get 32 is 0. Now I factorize 32, 8 4s are, so in two part like minus 8x and minus 4x. What we have to do in factorization, you know that we have to find two factors such that their sum is going to be minus 12, which is the middle term b, and product is going to be 32. So minus 8 and minus 4 is that number, plus 32 is equals to 0. The next step is that take x common, so here it is x minus 8. Here also I will take minus 4 common, so it will become x minus 8 is 0. So I have two factors, one is x minus 8 in one bracket and x minus 4 in another bracket, and this is equals to 0. So therefore this will give me result as x is 8 or x is 4. So I get two values for x, one is 8 or one is 4. Now if I simplify this part, here I will get x square minus 12x plus 34, then here it is plus 2 and is equals to 0. Now 34 plus 2 is what? 36. So therefore here we have x square minus 12x plus 36 is equals to 0. Now I have to divide 36 in two part. So 36, how we can divide in two part? If I say 9 and 4, it will not work. Then 6 and 6, yeah, 6 and 6 will work. So here we can say that this is actually, if 6 and 6 work, we can say that this is x minus 6 the whole square. X minus 6 the whole square is 36. Therefore the value of x is 6. Okay, right? X minus 6 the whole square is 0. That means x is equals to 6. Okay, next okay, so three values of x we get either x is 8 or 4 or 6. So if I add all these values, then x, the sum of values of x will be equal to 18. Okay, so now let us see whether 18 is there. What is the sum of real number of x for which this is equals to 2? So that value is 18. This is our question number 5. Now question number 6, if we see question number 6, the question is how many 4-digit positive integer, that is integer between 1000 and 9999 inclusive, having only even digits are divisible by 5. How many 4-digit positive integers that are integer between 1000 and 999 inclusive, so I will include this 1000 and 999 if possible, which having only even digits are divisible by 5. So divisible by 5, the first number which is divisible by 5 is what? It is 1000 only. Okay, now the second number which is divisible by 5 will be 1005. The third number which is divisible is 1010, and so on. And the last number which is divisible by 5 and which is less than this 9999 will be 9995. Okay, now my problem is how many 4-digit positive integer, okay, between 1000 and 9000 having only even digits are divisible by 5. So now the question is really tough, because here they want us to find that having only even digits. Okay, now here we can see that the numbers are even as well as odd digits possible. Okay, even as well as odd digits possible. So if I find out the total number of digits, then for that a is your 1000 and your common difference d is 5. So if you have to find n. So for that you use the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. This is an arithmetic progression. So this will imply that 9995 will be equal to a is what? 1000 plus n minus 1, that is n I have to find, times 5. So therefore here if I subtract 1000, it will be 8995 is equals to n minus 1 times 5. Now I will divide by 5 both the sides. So therefore 8995 divided by 5 will be equal to n minus 1. So I will divide by 5. So 5 and the 5, 3 39, 5 7 the 35, 35 4 49, and 5 9 the 45, 45 4 45, 5 9 the 45. This is equals to n minus 1. So your n is 1799 plus 1, that is 1800. Now 1800 are the total number possible. Okay, but will this help me out? Okay, I don't think this will be in any way helpful to me, because what I thought that there could be possibility that 50% numbers will be with all digits and 50% numbers will be with all even digits, but this is not happening. Okay, having only even digits. So having only even digits, so then in that case 1 will not be at its end place. Okay, when 1 is not at end place, the number is going to be start with 2000. So this is even number. Now the next even number is what? It is 2010. Okay, so if I consider not 2010, it is 2020. Okay, 2020, then 2040, like that, then it is 2040, and so on. The last even number, so the 9 will not come at the end place. What will come? It will be 8. So 8880. Okay, this could be the final number, or 8888. 8888 is also possible. Okay, now here if I see that they are all divisible by 20. Now 8888 is not possible because it has to be divisible by 5 also. So it has to be divisible by 5, then 8880 is going to be the last number. So your first number is this, your last number is this, and common difference, if you see the common difference is of 20, so you will say that an, which is 8880, you know an is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So common difference here is 20. So therefore 8880 minus 2000 will give you n minus 1 times 20, and therefore your n minus 1 will be equal to, here it is 6880 divided by 20. So this 0 0 will cancel, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So therefore n is equals to 345. Okay. Okay, now the problem is that 345 is also not there as an answer. Then it will be a difficult one. Now in the multiple of 10, there are some multiple of 10, but I think how many 4-digit positive integers that are integer between 1000 and 999 having only even digits are divisible by 5. So 344. So 344 are definitely having even digits only. Okay, so our answer will be 344 or more than 344. So only one option is seen here, which is 500. So might be 500. I will discuss this problem again. Okay, let us mark this problem, and we will discuss this in some other paper. Let us move to question number 5. Question number 5 is, or what we will do at the end, we will see this problem again. The 25 integers from minus 10 to minus 14 inclusive can be arranged to form a 5 by 5 square. 5 by 5 square in which the sum of number in each row, the sum of number in each column, and the sum of number along each main diagonal are all same. What is the value of this common sum? Okay, so minus 10 to 14, if I see how many numbers, so 10 14 minus of minus 10, it will be plus 10. So then it is 24, and if I am including this minus 10 and this 14, so it is total 25. So I have a 5 by 5 square, so something like this. Now like 1 2, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, one more line, and similarly here 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now I have to arrange numbers from this minus 10 to 14, and I have to arrange in such a way that the sum along the row, along the column, along the diagonal are all same. Okay, so what is that sum? So let us begin with minus 10. If I take minus 10 here, I have to arrange the numbers in this row and in this column in such a way that my sum is going to be same. So what is the value of this common sum? So the sum along each row and along each column, and only 25 digits are there. One, two, three, four, 5. Okay, so basically if I put all these numbers here, okay, and try to find out their sum. So here basically if I say that S of this all 25 numbers, S25, So it is 25 divided by 2. The first number is minus 10. Minus 10 times 2 plus n minus 1, that is 24 times d is 1. Okay, what I done here is that uh, all these numbers are sequential, so they are in arithmetic progression, and sum of n terms in arithmetic progression can be find out using the formula n divided by 2, 2 times first term plus n minus 1 times d. Here the first term is minus 10, then it is minus 9, then it is minus 8, and so on. So the common difference is 1. Okay, common difference, that is d, is 1. Total number of terms are 25. So we use this formula. This will give me result as S25 is equals to, so here S25, sum of all these 5 terms is what? 25 divided by 2, and here it is minus 20 plus it is 24. So minus 20 plus 24 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this sum is 50. Now this 50, the total sum is 50. So for each column, if I see what is the sum, then it is 50 divided by 5, that is 10. Okay, the sum along each column is going to be 10. Similarly, sum along each row we can arrange as 10. So this 10 is your answer. Okay, see. Again, interesting question, difficult as well as interesting. Okay, now question number 8. Let us see what is question number 8 here. So here we have question number 8. Find the what is the value of sum like 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 minus 8 and so on till 400. Okay, so what is this sum? Now how we find the sum? 3 numbers are added and then 4 is subtracted from that. Okay, so if I see that 1 plus 2 plus 3 and minus 4, how much is this number? So 2 plus 1, it is 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, we will get 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, we will get 2. Okay, similarly here 5 plus 6 plus 7 minus 8. Now 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 7, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 minus 8, we will get 10 as the sum here. Okay, here we get 2, here we get 10, and suppose again we will write 9 plus 10 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 minus 12. Okay, so here the sum is going to be 11 plus 9 is 20 plus 30, 30 minus 12, 30 minus 10 is 20, 20 minus 2 is what? 18. So here we get 18. So for each 4 digits we have number like 2, and then we have 10, and then we have 18. So if you see, there is a difference of 8. Okay, so we will continue like this, and the last 4 digit in such a way is going to be, now what is the relation between this 9, 10, 11 and 12, the 18 which I am getting, how I will relate that? Is there any way possible to relate that? Okay, first of all let us see from 1 to 200. 1 to 200, how many numbers are there? So there are 200 numbers. Now 200 divided by 4 if I do, so 200 divided by 4 is 50. So that means like this we have how many terms? We have 50 terms. Okay, so here we have n is equals to 50, your first term a is equals to, now here the sum is 2, and your common difference d is going to be 8. So I have to find out the sum. So S50, that means I have to find out. So S50 is what? 50 divided by 2, 2 times first term plus 49 times common difference. So this is going to be 25 times, now 2 to the 4 plus here 8 9 the 72, 7, and 8 4 the 32, 32 plus 7, 32 plus 7 is what? 39. Okay, so this is 25 times. Now this is 3 9 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so this is equals to, now 396 we will multiply by 25. What we do, this 396 we multiply by 25. So 5 6 are 30, 3 5 9 are 45, 45 plus 3 48, 4 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. Now 2 6 are 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 1 19, 1 2 3 are 6, 1 7. So 0 0, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1 19, again 7 plus 2 9. So 9100. Okay, let us see if this is the answer. 9100. 9100 is not the answer, but here 9900 or 9800. 9900 or 9800 is there, and rest all are bigger number than this. Okay, so where we made a mistake, and have we made some mistake? 11 plus 9 is 20, 30, 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12 is how much? 30 minus 12, 10 minus 2 is 8, 2 minus 1 is 1, 18. 18. So 2, first number is 2, then second number is 10, then third number is 18. So the gap is of 8 only, the gap is of 8. Okay, it's for sure that the gap is of 8. So that gap of 8 will continue. And how many terms we have like this? So for the first 4 group I can consider 1. So like that, total 200 numbers are there. So for 200 numbers we can consider 50 for the 200. So n is 50, that is also okay, fine. Then 50 divided by 225 into 2a4 plus n minus 1, 49 times 8. Okay, let us use calculator here. So 4 plus 49 times 8, that is 396, multiplied by 50 divided by 2. 9900. Okay, so I made some calculation mistake, I think. 396 multiplied by 25, let us see this, 396 multiplied by 25, that is 9900. Okay, so it's my mistake. 9900 is your answer, perfect one. Okay, again, so as we are moving, okay, the problems are getting tough and tough. Okay, this is your question number 8. Now let us see question number 9. A single bench, the question number 9 is what? A single bench section at school event can hold either 7 adult or 11 children. 7 adult or 11 children. When n bench section are connected end to end, an equal number of adults and children seated together will occupy all the bench space. What is the least possible positive integer value of n? Okay, we have to read this question again. A single bench section at the school event can hold either 7 adult or 11 children. So in a single bench, so if this is a bench, either I have 7 adult or I have 11 children. Okay, when n bench sections are connected, now like this I have connected n bench sections end to end, an equal number of adult and children seated together will occupy all the bench space. What is the least possible positive integer value of n? So how many bench I will connect? I will connect so that the number of adult and the number of children will be same. So 7 adult or 11 children. Okay, 7 adult or 11 children can be sit on one bench. Okay, so the total number could be multiple, means I have to see what is the multiple of 11 and 7 common. So it's 77. 77 is common multiple of 11 and 7. So for 7 adults, like 7 adults, 11 bench, if I have 7, 11 is 77. So to get 77 adults, okay, that means 77 adults, okay, are common multiple of 7 as well as 11, right? 77. So if there are 77 adults, then 77 adults can sit on 11 bench, and if there are 77, this is for adult, and if there are 77 childrens, then 77 on one 11 children can sit, so they need 7 bench. So 11 plus 7, 18. So total 18 bench, total 18 bench is required for this particular problem to solve. 18 bench. So if there are 18 bench, then what we can have, 77 childrens sitting as well as 77 adults sitting. Okay, this is the common multiple of 7 and 11, right? So this is problem related with LCM and HCF. Comment me if you get some better idea to solve this kind of problems. Okay, now I will see this question number 10. So question number 10 is 7 cube whose volumes are 1, 8, 27. Okay, these are cube numbers whose volumes are, okay, volumes are given, are stacked vertically to form a tower in which the volume of the cube decreases from bottom to top, except for the bottom cube, the bottom face of each cube lies completely on top of the cube below it. What is the total surface area of the tower in square unit? Okay, so we have 7 cubes. Now with these cubes I have to make a tower. Volume of the cube decreases from bottom to top, and with the volume of cubes decrease from bottom to top. So at the bottom I have maximum volume, and as I go up and up, the volume will decrease. Except for the bottom cube, the bottom face of each cube lie completely on the top of cube below it. Okay, that is also fine. What is the total surface area of the tower? So suppose here the bottom cube is something like this. Okay, now for this bottom cube, the area, what is the total surface area of the tower? Okay, total surface area of the tower. Now on the top of it there will be another cube, and on the top of that there will be another cube, and so on. Okay, I have to find out total surface area. So the bottom area for each cube, okay, if I see for cube, first of all, total surface area, if we see, then total surface area is 6 times L square, but as we have only 5 faces open, one face is covered. Okay, one face is covered, then in that case instead of taking 6 L square, we can take surface area as 5 L square. Now from that 5 L square also we have to subtract the area which is covered by the above one. Like here, if you see, the surface area for the bottom 5 is going to be 5 times its 7 square, 5 times 7 square. Now from this 5 times 7 square, what I have to do, I have to subtract one surface area, that is 6 square. Okay, then on the top of it again I have 5 times 6 square, and then again I have to subtract one area from the top of it, that is 5 square. So I will continue like this, and at the end we have 5 times 1 square. Okay, and there I don't have to subtract anything. Now if you see, this calculation will be something like 5 times 7 square. Okay, then minus 6 square and 5 times 6 square, so this is 4 times 6 square. So then again it will be 4 times 5 square, then again it will be 4 times 4 square plus 4 times 3 square plus 4 times 2 square plus here we have 5 times 1 square. Okay, so this area, now 7 7s are 49, so 5 times 49 plus here 5 times 1. Okay, this I will keep separate. Then for others 4 is common, so I will take 4 common. Then 6 square is 36 plus 5 square is 25 plus 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4. Okay, so let us see what is this addition. 5 9s are 45, 4 5 4 the 20, 24, this is 24, so 245 plus I have 5 plus I have 4 times. Now here if I add this 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 6 13 plus 6 19, 19 1 20 24, 24 plus 6 30, then 3 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9, 90, 4 times 90. Okay, so this is now 250 plus 360. So 250 plus 360, I will write 0 here, 6 plus 5 11 here, and 3 plus 3 6 here, 610. So roughly near about 610. Now 610, 610 is not there. 610, the least area which is slightly more than 610 is here, is 644. Now at the bottom I have 7 square. If I add 1 7 square, because I have to find here this bottom area I have not added. If I add that, that means I am adding 49 to this. Now if I add 49 to this, here it is 9, 4 plus 1 5, it is 659. Is 659 there? 658 is there, 659 is not there. So including the bottom, acha, here we have to include the bottom surface area. That means here instead of 5 we should take 6. Okay, so that is fine. On the top here we have 5 times 1 square. 5 times 1 square is 5 only. So I have not made any mistake. You check the calculation, maybe in calculation 659 7 cubes, so whose volumes are 1 8 27 64 125 216 and 343 cubic unit are stacked vertically to form a tower in which the volume of the cube decreases from bottom to top, okay, except the bottom cube, and the bottom face of each cube lies completely on the top face of the cube below it. And what is the total surface area of the tower including the bottom n square units, including the bottom n square units. So you solve this problem again. Okay, I will left this problem to you. Question number 10, you do it again and see what answer we are getting. Okay, or again, as I say that we will revisit this question once again. Okay, we will not spend too much time on the same question. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult for us to complete all the questions in time. What is the median of the following list of 4040 numbers? 1 2 3 1 2 3, it continues till 2020, and then 1 square 2 square 3 square, it continues till 2020 square. The question is, what is the median of the following list of 4040 numbers? So median means the number which come at the center. Okay, So if we are starting with 1, okay, if we are starting with 1 and ending at 10, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, okay, total 10 digits are there. Okay, so like that, here how many digits we have? Here we have 4040. Here we have 4040 digits. Now if you have 4040 digits, then the median is going to be the average of median is going to be average of n divided by 2th value plus n divided by 2 plus 1th value, average of this means that divided by 2. So n is, we have 4040, so it's a n divided by 2 is what? 2020. At 2020th position I have 2020 only, and then the next number which I have is 1, so I will take the average of this. So this is 2021, and average of this is what? 10, 2 1 the 2 1, and so 1010.5. What is the median of the following list of 4040 numbers? One more thing we missed, that here we have to arrange the data in ascending order. What we have to do? We have to arrange all this data in the ascending order. I cannot write like this. Okay, I will write from 1 to 2020, and then so we have to arrange them in ascending order. So when we are arranging them in ascending order, okay, this 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, if I see 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, so 10 square is 100, like this 10 square is 100, and 40 square if I see is 40 square, 50 square, 50 square is 2500. Okay, 2500 is less than this. So we have say the perfect square which is near about 2020 is 45 square. 45 square is what? 45 square will be 45 square will be 4 5 the 20 25. Okay, 2025 is 45 square. So that means, and 44 square, what is 44 square? 44 square will be, let us use calculator here, 44 times 44, it is 1936. It is 1936. So when I start writing the number, like first I will write 1, and then after 1 I have 1 square, then I will write 2, 3, 4, and then again I have 4 square. Okay, and like this I will continue. And in between, like when I reach doing this, when I reach 2020, okay, before that I have at some place I have 44, and I have it's not a 1 square is 1 2 3 4, here it is 2 square, here it is what? 2 square. So here somewhere I have 44 square, and 44 square is what? 1936. So here we have 1936 and then 44 square. Okay, and then I have till 2020, and then I can have 45 square, 46 square, and so on. Okay, so like this we have total 4040 numbers. Now I have to find what is the number at 2020 position. What is the number at 2020 position, and the number which is next to that. So if I see this 136 1936 1936, if I add 44 to this, because still here I have 44 new numbers added, so when I reach this 1936 and then 44 square, so total how many digits I have? 6 plus 4 10, 4 plus 4 8, and 9 and 1, 1980 numbers. So after 1980 numbers I have to go till 2020. Okay, so 45 square is 2025. So for 2020, what we do, it is logical that I will subtract from 2020, I will subtract 44 first. So 10 minus 4 is 6, then here 11 minus 4 7, and then here it will be 9 and then 1. So 1976 will be the 2020th value in the sequence. The next number is going to be 1977, and I have to take the average of this. So 1976.5, 1976.5. So 1976.5 is our median. Okay, we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So problems are becoming really tough. So after question number 11, question number 12. Total 25 questions are there. For today, let us solve till this 12 questions, and rest questions we will see in our next class. Okay, so question number 12 here. Triangle AMC. Okay, triangle AMC is an isosceles with AM is equals to AC, AM is equals to AC. So this is isosceles triangle. Median MV and CU are perpendicular to each other. Okay, there MV and CU is 12. What is the area of triangle AMC? Okay, for area of triangle AMC, what is the area? Okay, so the one concept is that median divides the whole area in two equal areas. So if I take the triangle AMV, okay, area of triangle AMV, so here we say that area of triangle AMV. So for AMV, if you take this triangle, then the length of the median is given 12. So this median, and from here it is perpendicular. Okay, area of triangle AMV is what? Suppose I name this point as, say, I will name this point as D. So area of triangle AMV is half of the base. Now base here you can consider MV, and then height on this you can consider UD. Okay, now this question is little easy if we know the concept. Now MV is given 12. Now medians where they intersect, that is called centroid, and centroid divide median in 2:1. 2 from C to D it is 2, and from D to U it is 1. So this 12 I have to divide in 2:1. So 2:1 we have to divide. So this UD, length of UD, actually UD upon CD is what? It is 1/2. Okay, 1:2. Now this whole CU, so I can say that this UD, 2 times UD is what? CD. Okay, now CU is UD plus CD. Now UD plus CD, I can say that 2 times UD, so this will become 3 times UD. This is CU. CU is 3 times UD. 3 times UD. CU. So CU is given 12. So 12 upon 3 is UD. So 3 4 the. So this I will get 4, and this side it will be 8. So this height is what? 4. Now 2 6 the 12, 6 4 the 24. Now this AMV is half of the total area. So it is half of the total area. So my total area will be double of this. So it will be 48. So 48 is the answer. Okay. So I think this 12 problems we have done here. Now in this some of the problems are like we have not got perfect answers. Like for question number 10 we have not got the correct answer. For question number, one more question we have doubt. This question we have done correctly, 8. This question also we have done correctly. Okay, so this 7th is also okay. I think this question number 6 we have not done. Okay, so here as there is negative marking, so better you don't attempt the questions whose answers you are not sure, right? Okay, so I will see you in the next class with the remaining problems. Till then, take care.